we have Cynful MustGo chicken Parmesan. Start out with some frozen breaded chicken patties or fillets and season them with some Cynful Italian seasoning. Do both sides, pat it into the breading so that it doesn't fall off. Go ahead and prepare a 9x13 baking dish. I use spray olive oil, but you can use any spray oil. And just add that reheated spaghetti that you have. Just dump it in the pan, spread it out evenly. Place the chicken patties on top as best you can. Just kind of cover that pasta. And then add that reheated spaghetti sauce. Just cover all of it. Use all of that spaghetti sauce. There's never too much spaghetti sauce, right? Spread it around, make it nice and even. Now top that spaghetti sauce with shredded cheese. This is a 3-cheese Italian blend. And I also topped it off after the 3 cheese with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. You can see me adding that here. Never too much cheese either, right? So we're going to put it in a 350-degree oven and cook it for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. And that's all there is to it. Great use for leftovers. So there's a link to a printable PDF file in the description. But here's your recipe anyway. I would like to thank y'all for joining me in my kitchen today for this great use of leftovers. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, have an awesome day.